So you've made yourself an NFT collection, but what if it didn't come out just as you planned? What if you want to exclude certain NFT attribute combinations or certain NFTs in general? In a sense, filter it down to a final collection that you're happy with. Well, if that's what you want to do, this video is for you. We've developed a tool especially for this purpose to take original NFT collections of images and metadata and filter that down based on some exclusion input parameters. So I'll give this a quick demonstration, then I'll show you the code we're running to make it happen. The code's very simple, so I highly recommend taking it, using it, making your own custom solutions if you need to. All right, so I'm in my NFT collection, and what I want to do to clean this up is I'm going to exclude versions of this NFT that have the gray dog with the gray background. So you can see a couple here, number 4, number 15, number 20, number 25. They all have this gray dog, which is an attribute I've named Weimaraner, and a gray background. So I'm going to exclude that out of the collection. I'm also going to exclude we'll say, just to be fun, some specific numbers. We'll do specifically NFT number 5 and 22. So when we run the tool, it's going to remove those from the collection and then renumber everything, even in the metadata, so that the numbers line up for upload. So we're going to go ahead and run this. And it says that we've, in the terminal here, a handful of NFTs were removed. So 11 were removed with unwanted attribute combinations. That would be the gray Weimaraner dog on the gray background. So that one should be removed in the outputs folder. And then 2 specific ones, number 6, number 23. Now keep in mind, NFT number 6 is actually named file number 5 because we're going by the name here. So let's open up the output folder, and we can indeed confirm that those ones are removed. So we don't see any of the gray dog on gray background anymore, and the specific numbers ones that we wanted to remove were removed. And then most importantly, these are all renumbered in a sequential order, ready for upload with the Candy Machine CLI. And we can see in the metadata too that the metadata numbering has all been corrected regardless of the NFT. So we're good to go. So let's have a look at the tool itself and the code and how we get this specified. For the normal user, I think that's not going to be modifying this tool very much. All you need to look at here is this main.py file. So just a reminder, you've got an inputs folder. This is where you're going to put your NFT collection. Outputs folder, that's where your final NFT collection will end up, or the outputs. Main.py, that's what you're going to modify. And to jump in that file, there's just 2 list variables here that you can use to modify this. First is unwanted attribute combos, called named exclude attribute combos. Here you're going to put in, so I wanted to exclude any gray Weimaraners. You're going to put in combinations that, if all of those attributes are found in a single NFT, the NFT will be removed. Now, just for info, it's not going to remove an NFT if just one of these attributes is in an NFT. Every attribute within a given list item needs to be in the NFT. And you can expand this, there's no limit to the number of attributes or combinations that you want to check. And then this next variable is simple, remove by name. If the NFT name in the metadata, so I'm talking about the metadata name here, matches exactly one of these, it will be removed. And now finally that we have our NFT collection and we've done some cleanup work, the next video in this series is going to be using the Metaplex Candy Machine command line tool to upload all these NFTs onto the blockchain. So stay tuned for that.